Welcome to miniOrange. Today we are going to set up single sign-on in WordPress using Google App as an identity provider. Log into your WordPress admin account. Click on Plugin on the menu bar on the left-hand side. Now click on the Add New button. Search for SAML in the search bar. Now install the miniOrange plugin for single sign-on. And click on Activate. We have successfully installed miniOrange plugin, which is on the menu bar on the left-hand side. Select Google App as your IDP. Click here to open Setup Guide. Let's configure the Google App Identity Provider. Log into your Google App admin account. Go to menu bar from the left-hand side, and select Apps. Select SAML Apps. Click on Plus button at the bottom right corner to create a new SAML app. Click on Set up my own custom app. Click on Next. Write application name as WordPress SAML app. Enter description as per your choice. Click on Next. To copy the CSS URL, go to Service Provider Metadata tab and copy the CSS URL and paste it over here. Copy the SP entity ID and paste it over here. Tick mark the signed response. Select name ID as email. Click on Next. Click on Add New Mapping. In Application Attribute, write first name and select User field as first name. In Application Attribute, write last name and select User field as last name. And click on Finish. Click on Apps. And download the metadata XML file. Change the user access to on for everyone. Click on Save. Go to your Service Provider Setup tab in the miniOrange plugin. To configure Service Provider, click on Upload IDP Metadata. Write Google App as your IDP name. Click on Choose File to upload the downloaded metadata. Click on Upload. Your identity provider details are saved successfully. Scroll down. Click on Test Configuration. Log in with any Google App account. You have successfully configured Google App with your WordPress site. Now let's see how to add a miniOrange login widget for single sign-on. On the menu bar on the left-hand side, click on Appearance, then Widgets. Select Login with Google App and click on Add Widget. In title, put Login with Google App and click on Save. Now let's see how this feature works. Go to your WordPress site homepage and scroll down. You can see the widget we added for single sign-on. Click on Login with Google App. You will be redirected to your Google App login page. Sign in with your Google App credentials. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into WordPress using Google App as IDP. We have solutions for the following use cases also: role control based on Google Groups. Map profile photos to users' avatars on your WordPress site. Allow users to search employee directory from your site. Please reach out to us for these solutions. Check out our premium version of the plugin, which includes features like attribute mapping, role mapping and many more. And it also supports add-ons like SCIM user sync, page restriction, etc.